Good day, this is Dennis.Girod with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to look at the Winnebago Navion. Kind of a very unique product built on the Mercedes chassis. 188 horse, 5-speed automatic. One of the things we hear from customers is about how well it handles and also what kind of great mileage it gets. So they're reporting someplace around 14, 16 miles per gallon. So the other thing is it drives very quietly. So let's go around this coach. This one has the optional full body paint. As we look around the outside, we have nice storage with a small inverter, endless water heater by Truma. This one has the 3200 diesel generator. Again, some more storage, nicely lined storage, waterproof. Bed on a slide that comes out the back with storage underneath. Here in the back corner, we have our water hookups, our shower, and our power cord with a nice, easily accessible hatch. We also, you can see our stabilizer jacks here in the back corner. So the nice thing on the Navion, they come very well equipped with a nice set of standards, additional storage, but also a place to keep your sewer hose. And one more. Nice thing is this is actually full length, so you can use either door to reach in there and put longer items in. Built on the Mercedes chassis, Mercedes driver passenger doors, one-piece fiberglass cap, side mirrors, rear view mirror, rear view camera, and side cameras, slide-out topper. So as I said, a very, very well-equipped coach. Electric awning on the exterior. Very well appointed interior. Curved laminate doors. One of the things that Winnebago does a great job on is specific things, like these little hidden latches. These doors will not come open without unlatching them. As we look through the unit, 2-burner gas stove. One thing they've done nicely in here is you have LED lighting, but that LED lighting is also dimmable. So there's your night light, and here's your daylight. Bathroom. This is very unique with a movable lavatory. So that way you have plenty of room whether you're showering or using the restroom. Dividing door here between the bedroom and the front can be latched for privacy. The wardrobe. This bed goes out the back. When it comes in, we fold the mattress in half and bring it in. That way you have a nice short coach, but have a nice bed when you want to. 2-door refrigerator. Very nice dinette booth. One of the things we have here in the front, of course, is sleeping above the cab. This part rotates down to create the bed. You can flip it up out of your way when you get in the bed. One of the little things they've done, this light right here, you press it once, it's your night light. You press it again, it's a reading lamp. German engineered front end, nice big screen. The driver passenger chairs tilt, raise up and down, and can be turned around. They also come with cushions to raise the height, so those can become part of your living room. Obviously, we haven't covered everything that the Navion has, but if you're interested, please give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about them and have you test drive one with us. Thank you very much. Dennis.Girod with Guarantee RV.